got 3.
One, two.
Yeah.
The other one's thrown away.
Yes. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, they're pigeons too. Nana cleaned all the bird bath today. And, and your grandma put the water in there. They come in. See up on the, house. They take a piece of the nut and see how many of them? 1, 2, 3 in there. Look. Oh, it's a big one. Now go away. They can't get in there, you see. Mm-hmm. Now you see.
But the little ones can't.
Go away. Oh, they're all right. They're the wee ones.
I'm sliding off.
Oh, it says, it doesn't know which one to get in. The big birds can't get in there.
But I'm sliding off of your lap.
What, darling?
I'm sliding off of your lap.
Celeste? Who's out with the camera?
She's sliding off your lap.
What? I can't hear what she's
She's
saying.
sliding off of your lap.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Nana can't lift her up. You're too heavy.
That's right.
That's all the. Oh, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1 inside. 3 inside. 1 gone out now.
One jumped out.
Ah. When they'll come in. Mm-hmm. This is what Nana does when she comes here in the morning. When she opens up the blinds, she sees all the birds. She hangs that up because it doesn't. It goes all night. If they're wet, they don't eat it. It's like when you get your dinner. If people pour water in it, you don't eat it, right? Oh, there's another one. There's 4 in there now.
I don't know, get that.
Yeah.